Hey guys, welcome back to my new video. In this video we are going to learn a Java program to find whether the given number is prime or not. So let's get started. First of all, open the VS Code editor. Now we need to create a file. The file name will be prime.java. Now we need to import the scanner class to take user input. So import java.util.scanner. Now we need to create the main method. So let's create it. Public static void main string args arguments. Now then after we will create the main method body. Inside the main method body we will create the scanner object class object. So let's create it. Scanner sc is equal to new scanner system.in, then after semicolon. Now we'll print a line system.out.println. Enter the number to check it is prime or not. Now we will write int number is equal to sc.next int. What does this line means? This line means if the user gives any input to the program will store that input in the number variable. Now we will check if the input number is is prime or not. So let's do it. To use it we will do if else condition. So let's do it. If number modulus 2 is not equal to 0, then we will print system.out.println the given number is prime number, else system.out.println the given number is not a prime number. What does this line mean? This line means if the number is divided by 2 and it will get remainder. If it will get remainder and the remainder is not equal to 0, then the program will print this line, the given number is prime number. If the remainder is equal to 0, then it will print the given number is not a prime number. If the remainder is not equal to 0, it will print the given number is prime number. So let's save this file, Ctrl S and run it. While running, it is running. Enter the number to check it is prime or not. So let's click number 5 and press enter. The given number is prime number. Let's close the program and again run it. Now we will write number 2 and press enter. The given number is not a prime number, and the number 2 is not a prime number, and the number 5 is a prime number. So the program is working properly. So thank you guys for watching this video. We will meet in the next session. Till then, keep learning, keep exploring. Thank you guys.